good evening everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Genesis chapter 12 verse 1 to 3. The Lord had said to Abram, "Leave your country, your people, and your father's household, and go to the land I will show you. I will make you into a great nation. I will bless you. I will make your name great, and you will be a blessing. I will bless those who bless you, and whoever curses you, I will curse, and all the people on earth will be blessed through you." Amen.
Good morning, everyone. My devotion for today is from Genesis chapter 12, verse 4 to 7. So Abram went as the Lord had told him, and Lot went with him. Abram was 75 years old when he set out from Haran. He took his wife Sarai, his nephew Lot, all the possessions they had accumulated, and the people they had acquired in Haran, and they set out for the land of Canaan, and they arrived there. Abram traveled through the land as far as the site of the great tree of Moreh at Shechem. At the time of Canaanites were in the land, the Lord appeared to Abram and said, "To your offspring I will give this land." So he built an altar there to the Lord, who had appeared to him. The word of the God. Amen.
Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat at ang ating pong devotion ay matatagpuan po sa Genesis chapter 12 verses 9 to 11. And it says, "And Abraham journeyed on, still going towards the Negev. Now there was a famine in the land, so Abraham went down to Egypt to sojourn there, for the famine was severe in the land. When he was about to enter Egypt, he said to Sarah, his wife, 'I know that you are a woman beautiful in appearance.'" Sa Diyos po ang papuri sa pagkabasa po ng kanyang mga salita.
The devotion for today is from the book of Genesis 12 to 14. "When the Egyptians see you, they will say, 'This is his wife.' Then they will kill me, but will let you live. Say you are my sister, so that I will be treated well for your sake, and my life will be spared because of you." When Abraham came to Egypt, the Egyptians saw that Sarai was a very beautiful woman. Amen.
Good morning sa ating lahat. Our reading for today is from the book of Genesis chapter 12, verse 15 to 17. Abram and Sarai in Egypt. And it says, "And when the princes of Pharaoh saw her, they praised her to Pharaoh. And the woman was taken into Pharaoh's house. And for her sake he dealt well with Abram. And he had sheep, oxen, male donkeys, male servants, female donkeys, and camels. But the Lord afflicted Pharaoh and his house with great flocks because of Sarai, Abram's wife." The words of the Lord. Amen.
My devotion for today is from the book of Genesis, chapter 12, verses 18 to 20 says, "So Pharaoh summoned Abram. 'What have you done to me?' he said. 'Why didn't you tell me she was your wife? Why did you say, she is my sister, so that I took her to be my wife? Now then, here is your wife. Take her and go.' Then Pharaoh gave orders about Abram to his men, and they sent him on his way with his wife and everything he had." Amen.